Hi everyone. Been a while since I made a video or posted anything on Facebook, but I got fed up with weeds and I decided to do a container grow. I have automatic self-feeding. I run 2 jet pumps for the whole thing. Let's take a look. These are my pepper plants, golden bell pepper. All of my lines I have running down here have valves so I can turn anything on or off, separate it. These are my onions. Got bunching onions, regular yellow. Peppers have just exploded in the last few days. And yep, I don't know if I can show you here. Here we go. Where is it? There it is. Oh. I'm having a hard time showing that for some reason, but oh, there it is, right there. I'm hiding it now. Anyways, there's a few happening here. These are jalapenos. They're doing pretty good. I got drip emitters in here, half-inch line all the way through. These are my beets. Everything's in 5-gallon pails. Cheapest way to go raised bed, $5 a pail. These are my beans. They're flowering now. I might give them a little bit more food next year. Everybody said don't feed them. They don't like it. Well, they look a bit pale to me, but oh well. Next year. I'm learning. Onions are rocking. Anyways, let's go down here. These are my potatoes, and these are like down there 3 feet high. Most of them. Hopefully I'm not growing all stock, but you never know. This is a learning experience. Here's my tomatoes. Got some tomatoes happening here. They're happening everywhere. These are a big beefsteak variety, determinate. They're just going to be big bushes. Don't need nothing climbing. That's perfect by me. I'm probably going to take some seed from these this year. And those are my spray emitters down there. They work awesome. This one here is, it was one from seed that I started, not the same as these plants. And I don't know what the hell happened to it, but it just kind of curled up and died. So, yep, not a perfect grower, but I try. These are my carrots. This time one tub grew, and I don't know, maybe I didn't plant enough here, but not much going on, but oh well. Next year. But best of all, check it out. Yeah, I'm not pulling no weeds. Never again in my entire life will I ever do that. I'll just, once I cut all this grass, I'll lay out a tarp, put it on my soil there, harvest everything. Next year it'll be twice as good. And I'll maybe start a worm bin too. There's my tank. And yeah, if you guys are wondering, you're gonna need some pressure here if you want to set up a garden of worthwhile. I got 2 jet pumps. I got one in here and one over there. Here's my tank. 1150 liters. Anyways, that's it for Lost Art. Peace.